Behind me, we have an F-150 Lightning battery pack. Now, it came from an extended range donor vehicle. And if you have a look at the battery pack here, it's made up of a number of modules. So these big ones here, there's 8 of them. They're 16 kilowatt hours. And then you've got this smaller one here, which is about 12 kilowatt hours. So if you add them all up, you end up with about 143 kilowatt hours, but it's marketed at 131 kilowatt hours of usable capacity. Now, we've pulled this apart because we're developing the capability of diagnostics and repairs, because we know in years to come, this is something the country will need. It's interesting though, that a battery pack is made up of a number of modules. So if in the future there is an issue, it's not simply a case of throwing out a whole battery pack, it's more the case of replacing one of the individual damaged modules.